We are currently playing chicken nugget games. I don't know.
Well, here's the elephant, and I'm going to eat it.
I have an elephant too. Ah! Wow. Say cheese. I remember when I used to do this when I was a kid.
What?
I used to do this when I was a kid. Except I was an only child, so I used to do it when I was lonely. Alright, Leah. Do you have an animal that looks like this? I think it's a whale, but it has legs. So
It's a zebra.
A zebra?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! No, wait! I'm running away! Ah! I'm going to this plate where it's safe.
Ah! What are you do?
Ah! No!
Then I'm eating your brother.
No! Woo! Does anybody have an alpaca named Boo Boo? Is your alpaca named Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Oh wait, it got hit by a car. Aw, sad day, alpaca. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Hello. Mama, why did you say a cuss word?